Hey everybody, do you want to learn how to make this cutting board or one similar in under an hour for under $20 in material? Stick around, I'll show you how. So as I promised in my last short video, I wanted to show you guys something to build with these maple blanks that we have. I'm going to do something really simple today. This is just going to be a small cutting board. Great gift, good idea just to make them, have fun doing it. Good to work with the kids on it, all sorts of cool things to do with these. Very simple tools you can use to do these: a sander, a router, scroll saw, a couple templates to make circles, and that's about all you need to do this. It's a very simple project and turns out really nice when you're done. Let's get started. So now that we have the basic template drawn out, takes a matter of a minute and a half to do this. You can get creative, you can move your handle, twist it, turn it, however you want. You could put some contour grooves in the side of here, it would look really cool. Do whatever you want for your drawing. It's your project, go crazy with it. Do as much or as little as you want, simple, complicated, great. Now you just have to cut it out with the jigsaw. So now we have the basic shape of this. There is one more tool that you could have that does make life a lot easier, and that's a drum sander. There's multiple different ways to do that. You can do it with a hand drill and a small portable drum sander, or you can use a big one like the one I'll be using. So this is the drum spindle sander I'll be using today. It's not a must, but it does help. A lot of woodworkers don't have them, especially beginning woodworkers. It was not my first tool that I got when I started woodworking. But it does help if you're going to be doing a lot of these. This takes care of a lot of time. You can also use a drill attachment. You can use a drill press. You could also do it with the orbital sander too. But this one just takes a little bit less time, and I have one here, so we're going to use it. So we got it all sanded down now. All the edges are nice and smooth. Rounded up this a little bit. One thing I like to add to it is a hole in the handle here. I just use a 5/8 Fornister bit and put it right about in the center there and drill a hole. Once we have that done, we are ready to route the sides. I like to just put a small round over on this. If you don't have a router, you can also do this with the sander and just kind of taper that edge a little bit, get rid of that sharp corner. Now I'll just clean it up with the disc sander. Like I said, these are already sanded pretty smooth, so you'll just have to clean up your edges. Maybe a little bit of 220 should take care of that for you. And there you have it. In about an hour, with the proper tools, you can get this done. Probably a little bit longer if you had to round the edges over with the sander or sand this off with a drill or just with the orbital sander. But great DIY project, good for gifts, good for Christmas gifts. Mother's Day's coming up, so stop out, grab some of these blanks and make some of your own cutting boards. It's a great, fun hobby. Good to do with kids, good to do with scouting groups, anybody. Till next time, have a good one.